Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use dark mode in Chrome on all websites you visit. So I opened the Samsung website and as you can see it has a white background, but I want to change it to a black background. So to change that, you go to your address bar and type this into your address bar: Chrome : and then flags, and click on enter. This will take you to Chrome's experiment page, which are basically features to come in a future update. So here you click on the search bar and search for dark mode. Now besides the first two search results, you see a drop down menu. Click on it and change the option from default to enable. So after you click on enable, you see this relaunch button at the end of the screen. If you click on it, it will relaunch Chrome and the dark mode will be applied to all websites you visit from now. So as you can see, this page became dark. So let's go back to the Samsung website and see whether it really works. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. The page just finished reloading and as you can see, it worked. The whole website is now dark. Hopefully this will reduce eye strain and save some of your battery power. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.